Today, we're discussing a significant development in the world of artificial intelligence. The Biden administration is considering capping exports of advanced AI chips from companies like Nvidia and AMD to certain countries. This move would set a ceiling on export licenses for specific nations in the interest of national security. Officials are particularly focused on Persian Gulf countries with a growing appetite for AI data centers and the financial resources to fund them. The policy would build upon a new framework to streamline the licensing process for AI chip shipments to data centers in countries like the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. The idea has gained traction in recent weeks, although deliberations are still in the early stages. The Commerce Department's Bureau of Industry and Security oversees export controls but declined to comment. Nvidia, AMD, and Intel also declined to comment on the matter. This potential policy would tighten restrictions initially aimed at China's AI ambitions. The Biden administration has already restricted AI chip shipments to over 40 countries across the Middle East, Africa, and Asia due to concerns about diversion to China. Some U.S. officials see semiconductor export licenses as leverage for broader diplomatic goals. This could involve asking companies to reduce ties with China to access U.S. technology. However, concerns extend beyond Beijing. According to Tarun Chhabra, Senior Director of Technology at the National Security Council, we will have to have a conversation with countries around the world about how they plan to use these capabilities. Mar Baitar, another NSC official, raised concerns about global AI development affecting American intelligence operations. The reaction of leading AI chipmakers to additional U.S. restrictions is uncertain. When the Biden administration introduced sweeping chip regulations for China, Nvidia adapted its AI offerings to maintain sales in that market. Implementing country-based caps may prove challenging, especially in the final months of President Joe Biden's term. Governments worldwide are pursuing sovereign AI capabilities, driving demand for advanced processors. Nvidia's chips are the gold standard, but China is developing its own semiconductors. U.S. officials worry that if Huawei or another foreign maker offers a viable alternative to Nvidia chips, it could weaken the U.S. influence on the global AI landscape. Some argue for a more restrictive approach, while others caution against making it too difficult for countries to access American technology. The debate continues, with officials slowing high-volume AI chip license approvals. However, new rules for data center shipments will allow U.S. officials to vet and pre-approve customers based on security commitments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.